How to use ChatGPT for local learning. ChatGPT can be a helpful tool for local learning as well, as it can provide answers to questions and information on a wide range of topics related to your local community. Here are some ways you can use ChatGPT for local learning. 1. Ask questions. You can ask ChatGPT any question related to your local community, such as the history of your town or city, the top-rated schools in your area, or the best places to find local food. 2. Discover events. ChatGPT can help you discover local events, such as festivals, concerts, and community gatherings. You can ask ChatGPT about upcoming events in your area or recommendations for things to do. 3. Explore local culture. ChatGPT can provide information on local culture, including art, music, and history. You can ask ChatGPT about local museums, galleries, or historic sites to visit. 4. Learn about local issues. ChatGPT can provide information on local issues, such as traffic, crime rates, or environmental concerns. You can ask ChatGPT about the latest news on these issues and how they may affect your community. 5. Connect with local organizations. ChatGPT can connect you with local organizations and resources that may be helpful for your learning journey. You can ask ChatGPT about local libraries, community centers, or educational programs. These are just a few examples of how ChatGPT can be used for local learning. Remember to always verify information from multiple sources and consult with experts in the field for more in-depth knowledge and understanding. Here are some additional resources that may be helpful for local learning. Local government websites. Most cities and towns have websites that provide information on local events, resources, and issues. You can often find information on local history, parks, and recreation, city council meetings, and more. For example, in the United States, you can find local government websites through the National League of Cities directory. Local libraries. Local libraries are great resources for learning about your community. They often have collections of local history books, maps, and other resources that can help you learn more about your area. Local historical societies. Many towns and cities have historical societies that provide information and resources on local history. They may have archives, exhibits, or events that can help you learn more about your community's past. Community centers. Community centers often offer classes, events, and resources that can help you learn more about your community. They may offer classes on local history or culture, or host community events that showcase local traditions. Local news sources. Local news sources, such as newspapers and online news sites, can provide information on local events, issues, and culture. They may also have archives that can help you learn more about your community's history.